ex-Duterte Sports Advisor drag into anomalous flood control project in Davao. So, Davao City ata to, no? So, basahin nga natin. Sabi dito, okay, a flood control project in Davao City nga, oo. A flood control project in Davao City has been mired in controversy after it was discovered that its funding was allegedly not included in 2021 national budget. Even to the Department Works and Highways, Davao City declared the project as completed. O, patay tayo dito. 2021, ito po yung mga panahon na kumukubra po si Pulong Duterte na 51 billion. O, insertion po ito, mga kababayan. Wala pa sa GAA. Pero, nabigyan ng pondo at declared completed. Kay Pulong po ito. Kay Pulong ito, mga kababayan. Sigurado, 51 billion kay Pulong. Di ba? Oh. According to House Infrastructure Committee, co-chairperson Saro, Terry Ridon, the project titled construction of, yan, yung construction nga na yan, so whatsoever, was not part of the line item 2021 GAA. So, insertion nga ito. Di ba? So, ito nga po, this means, according to Ridon, that DPWH Davao City funded a different project from one originally included in 2021 GAA. An act that falls under technical malversation as refined. Article 220 of the Revised Penal Code. Akala ko ba walang nakawan sa Davao City? So, bakit ganon? So, ngayon ang malupit dito, itong Billionaire News Channel, documents obtained by Billionaire News Channel show that the original project listed under 2021 national budget line item was awarded to Genesis 88 Construction. So, dito na nga papapasok yung Glenn Iskandor.